Alright, what is up with that one? It gets wider down there. Alright. Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. So today, it is the 13th. It is Monday, 2022 of June. And so I am in the process of insulating this in here. It's extremely warm doing so. But, we'll get it. So anyway, what I'm going to be doing, I got some strips that Ronnie brought that I'm going to run across these for support. I'm not going to put plywood over the top of these. I'm just going to run some strips, and then this way keep them in place, and we'll go from there. So that is what we're going to do with that. But so let me come down here. I want to get this room organized. So what like I said, getting the insulation in here first. As you can see, I have 4 more strips here, so I can do, a few more, and then I have another roll sitting back here that I'll utilize. Actually, I have another roll underneath there as well, so I'm gonna see what I can do. I'll pack all this in down through here, and we will go from there. But so yeah, that's what we're gonna be working on and focusing on today. Once I get the insulation up there, which shouldn't take too much longer, where did I put the strips? Let's see. Okay, there's the bundle of strips is right here. Okay, so I'll be taking those, putting them across, and getting that done. I want to clean up. I've already been back in the blue building this morning, and I have been organizing back there. Actually, we can take a walk back there and I can show you what I did. So let's do that. So these are projects that I'm doing right now that absolutely I can do by myself, and I've been wanting to get to them. When I had cut my hand, it obviously put me behind. My hand is doing much better. And so I'm able to actually, get back to work, use it, and not have to worry about banging it and having it break open and start bleeding again. Hello, girl. So, all right. So we'll go back here. Alrighty. We have 4 gallons of vinegar here, and that's a mirror. They're going to go in here as well. But this definitely looks a little bit more open now, right? What I did is up in the loft area, there's not a ton of room, but I put some plywood down up there and packed in what I could pack in up there. With the windows open here, it's really comfortable in here. And so I put the rest of the boxes on that level here. Another piece of board on top. The buckets went on top, and now I got another piece of board there. I'll add more buckets, obviously, as we move along. Move these guys over. So it opens it up. A little bit more, so it's definitely better. I guess we could probably take this down, right? So anyway, that's where we're at. It is definitely better organized now than it was. Wasn't a whole lot of room, because when I come back down with my next trip, I want to add in here 2 more stuff, but I want to keep it organized so that it is in good shape. It's very humid today. They're calling for 85 degrees. The sun is definitely out, but like I said, I'm like, okay, well, I got some things I got to get done, so let me get at them and get to work and So I'm like, well, let me get a video made for you guys. A reminder tonight, I will be live streaming at 8 o'clock for my hardcore preppers. So if you would like to join me then, you know, to be able to become a hardcore member, you go to my main page here on YouTube. You hit, excuse me, the join button. 3 levels of membership, but only the hardcore preppers get a live stream once a week, and that is every Monday at 8 o'clock. So if you're interested, feel free to join me, and we will have a good conversation. You know, probably talk about the whole weekend and with everybody here and all those things. So, but anyway, had a real good, excuse me, had a real good weekend with everybody. It went very, very well, and so, like I said, now I'm just going to be getting things squared away, getting things more organized. I want to clean up this room because it's just ended up being a catch-all at the moment. There's actually stuff in the camper that I would like to put in the loft, but obviously I want to make sure I get that finished up first, and then once I do that, then we'll go from there. So it will come together. It's coming together. It's not going to take me too long, I don't think. I hope. But you know, whatever. It's as long as I'm making forward progress, that's the important thing. And so then I can organize and clean up down here, which is what I want to do, and open this back up. Again, the more organized it is, the more stuff is packed away, the more stuff you can put in there. So, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting up in here. I already sprayed this guy. You can see a dead wasp there. So I'm going to get in there and seal those up a little bit better so that they cannot get in to the battery room. And you know, I had up on top there was a nest as well, but I already sprayed that and killed the wasp. So, and there's what I use, WD-40. It works fantastic. So, but anyway, so that's my projects today. Organizing, cleaning. I need to clean the inside of the camper as well, so I will be working on that. It's all going to just be, you know, it's methodical. Just, you know, boring work, but has to be done. I do want to get the flag up on the battery room. I don't know if I'll do that today or not. I want to get things organized first. So we're going to work on that. But we'll get there. We'll get there. I may transfer this all the canned goods that are in here. I may transfer them down to the battery room, just because it's going to be cooler down there, and it's actually comfortable in here right now. With the vents cut in here, now it makes a difference as well. So we'll see how everything pans out. All right. So anyway, real quick. Talk about my website, preppernurse1.com. We have the Prepper Nurse 1 community in there, which is a resource that we set up for you guys to be able to connect with like-minded people. Excuse me. It is free to join, does not cost anything. You do have to register, but no credit card information is asked. And once you're in, check out the message boards, look for people in your state or your country. Second thing, on my website we have the Forefathers, which is the CBD and hemp store. So check them out as well. Again, they are, if you see the logo on my website, preppernurse1.com, you'll go in there, you'll see the Forefathers logo. You click on that, it will take you to their website. Once you're on their website, if you decide to make a CBD or hemp purchase, make sure you use the discount code PrepperNurse1, and you will save 15% on your purchase. All right. Last but not least, we have the Legacy freeze-dried foods. So definitely take advantage of that as well. So again, preppernurse1.com, click on store, it will drop down, you will see Legacy Foods. You click on that and it will take you to the store within the website. 25-year shelf life, GMO free, gluten options available for people that need that. It is also vegetarian, but there are beef and chicken options that can be purchased separately. largest portion size of any of the other freeze-dried food companies as well. So definitely take advantage of that. Alright guys, so anyway, I'm going to jump off for now so I can get back to work. Remember, we are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we are going to be in much, much better shape. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important, and we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD. Step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you are trying to accomplish, whatever you're trying to do, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from reaching your goals is you. That's it. Nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. All right? I will see you all later. Have a great day. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.